everybody, welcome to another day, another vlog, and it's the beginning of a new month. So I have finally decided to stop procrastinating and hit the gym after I think 20 days now, 20-25 days. September just went in traveling and procrastinating. So now I'm back. I'm trying to hit the gym and get back to my routine, which is very, very hard, especially because I hate going to the gym. But we have to push through and we are going to do this. Okay, let me change and I'll get back to you.
So on days when I hate going to the gym, which is almost every day, guys, what I do is, what helps me personally is to immediately change into my gym clothes without even thinking twice. So I wear my gym wear, I wear my shoes, and then automatically my mindset changes and then I am just pushed to go into the gym, right? So that's one hack that works for me. So the gym that we go to, both Abhi and me, is in the same apartment society that we live in. So it's very convenient and it's a pretty decent gym. I divide my week into like 5 days of different workouts. So this is day 1 and here's me doing some arm workout, upper body, basically your chest and shoulders, your biceps, triceps. That was your strength training, and after 20 to 25 minutes of strength training, I went ahead to do some ab exercises. That was for about 10 to 15 minutes. I do some deep core exercises. I try to strengthen my abdominal wall muscles, and that's about it. And once that is done, I move on to my cardio session. Cardio session is either a treadmill walk or a treadmill jog or the elliptical machine that is kept. I think it's called elliptical. I'm not sure, guys, but I'm not really fond of that. I usually run on the treadmill for 20 to 25 minutes. Once I'm back from the gym, I make sure I take my protein shake. So I just use cold milk with my protein powder. So I make sure I have my protein within half an hour of my workout. So that is very essential. Only then is it useful. Okay, guys, I'm back from the gym. Actually, it's been half an hour since I'm back. More than half an hour. थोड़ा time pass किया हमने. थोड़ा time waste भी किया.
Now I have a lot of things to do. घर की सफाई करनी है. Tomorrow Abhi's parents are coming and they're gonna be here with us for a while. So I have to set up their room. I have to clean a lot of things. So I'll see if I can take you through it. Chalo.
I'm a very lazy person in general, but when it comes to keeping the house clean, I have this OCD, guys. I have to make sure that things are in its own place, or otherwise मेरे को नींद नहीं आती. I cannot sleep, and that itch is always inside my head ki, oh my god, this is not right, this is not straight, that's not clean. So I'm a little bit of like Monica from Friends.
Up next, I need to clean my studio cum Abhi's workplace room. This room was actually Bruno's room. And after he left us, we did not feel like doing anything with this. So I just made it into a chotu dance place, which now Abhi uses. So yeah, that's how this place looks. That's how this looks. So I have my Veena and this cute little wall poster thingy. And this study table, which is supposed to be mine, but then Abhi just took it.
What?
So I took his. Okay, so now I have to clean Bhagwan Ji ka kamra. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, then we'll see what's next in the list.
We have a very small and cute setup for all the idols and the lamps, so that's what I sat down to clean.
Finished.
Morning, everyone. Today is a midweek holiday, which is really the best part of any week. Apart from Sunday, if you have a holiday in between the week, it feels so good. Alright, so today's day 2 of hitting the gym. I hope this streak continues, at least for a week. We'll see. So today Abhi and I both have a holiday, so we are both heading out to the gym. I'll see if I can record, but I don't know, not promising. We'll see how it goes. I am thinking of doing a full body workout today. So yeah, it'll be like 20 to 25 minutes of strength training and 20 to 25 minutes of cardio. So let's see. Keep you posted. Okay, boy. So on days when we actually get to go together to the gym, it's quite nice because we push and motivate each other to work out well. So today I'm doing a combination workout which targets the full body, right from your shoulders to chest to arms to the legs and thighs, right? So I was doing some combination exercises at the back and the arms with the upper back and chest, so all of that. So all these exercises I randomly choose from YouTube, and I do about 3 sets with 10 reps in each set. So that is my usual routine, and here I'm doing some chest press and some triceps and inner arm exercises. I try to push myself further by increasing the weights. So strength training is not useful unless you keep increasing your weights. Only then will you gain strength, guys. So after finishing around 20 to 25 minutes of this strength training, I went ahead to do my ab exercises again. So I try to do different ab exercises each day and not the same. It gets boring then. Finish it up with my 20-minute to 25-minute of cardio workout, and I was sweating like hell and super duper happy and satisfied. Did a little bit of a happy dance because nobody was in the gym, and that was day 2, people.
Okay, so the workout is over. I don't know why every time, wherever I sit, there's like behind me. Now we're gonna have some bread omelette and protein shake, and then I will come back with my itinerary for the day. I have a lot of things to do. I always have a lot of things to do, guys. Whether or not I'm jobless, even if it's a chutti, I will make sure I have something to do. I cannot sit simply. Okay, stay tuned.
Okay guys, back from the gym, had the breakfast, and Abhi's just gone for a haircut. I am going to oil my hair and do some chit-chatting with you all, right? So today is
going to be a cleaning day for me because you have Navratri coming up plus Diwali coming up, so I want to like thoda vacuum I want to do and dusting and stuff and clear out my cupboard and all that, and I have to set up the Diwali lights too. It's October, it's the month of festival, so yeah, that is my plan right now. I'm sorry I'm so shabbily dressed, but it's a holiday and you gotta chill when it's a holiday, people. So that is the plan for today, and I think after lunch I'll sit down to study. I don't know if I'm going to be shooting a video again, a dance video again. I don't know because I haven't thought of anything. I don't know ki kya karna hai next. I already shot Manslayo and that has received quite a good response. So I'm thinking ki kaun sa content we will make next. So I don't know. That's still in question. But I just wanted to come here and talk to you guys and see what's up and how are things going on your side. You can comment below and let me know what you did on your midweek holiday. What are all the goals or the tasks that you accomplished, and was it a productive day or was it a bad day? So usually on holidays I'm two extremes, guys. I'm either super productive and I get done all the things that I want to do, or I'm just super duper lazy and I don't even get out from bed. So these are the two extremes that I am. So that's about it. And what else? Yeah, so I'll take you through my day, and uske baad we'll see. I don't know which direction this vlog is going. I don't know. It's very difficult to actually think of content and put it out there for the world to see. We underestimate content creators so much. Matlab ye kya hai? This is very easy. This is simple. They just put one video and they earn so much out of it. It is very difficult to put out even that one video, good quality video with good editing and stuff, and to be creative so that you can capture the audience. So there is a lot of thinking that happens in this field, and I'm very new to it. I'm just giving a shot and seeing where this goes, but I don't know. This is not my forte. For those of you who don't know me, I am a general surgeon. I am a doctor. That is my main profession. This is just a side hobby thingy that I like doing. I like to record things. I like to create memories this way so that I can, go back and look at it and, relive those moments. So that's about it. Yeah, bahut bak ho gaya. Too much of talking has happened. Now I am going. Bye.
Alright, so after having my shower, I decided to start cleaning. So I was vacuuming the sofas and the chairs and the curtains and the mosquito nets, etc, etc. I was doing some deep cleaning stuff. I was trying to use the vacuum cleaner after a very long time, guys. Also, FYI, this vacuum cleaner I think is as old as me. My mom gave it to me once I moved out, so she has kept it safe all this while, and it's pretty decent to do all the cleaning. I know nowadays there are like portable vacuum cleaners and stuff which are very comfortable, but sort of just stuck onto this one.
Okay, it's day 3 of successfully hitting the gym. Today is leg day. I hate leg day, guys. Anything related to gym I anyway hate, but leg day is even worse. Even though in general, girls have more lower body strength than upper body strength, which is the same for me. But I like doing upper body than lower body because lower body करते ही वाट लग जाती है. So dreading today, but we will push through. Okay, if you're watching, push through with me. Okay. See you at the gym.
So leg day usually starts off with some basic squats. It could be the normal squats or the sumo squats with body weights or with actual dumbbell weights, and I mix it up with some lunges. I also use the equipment that is available in the gym, like the leg press and all of that, and I try to change my leg routine every now and then because doing the same set of exercises is quite boring. I topped it off with some ab exercises and finished my workout with again 20 to 25 minutes of cardio.
Hi guys, today is day 4. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I'll see. I'll take it right. Chalo.
I actually went in with no idea of what I'm going to do today, and then I just decided to completely make it a cardio day today. So I ran on the elliptical thingy, and on my treadmill I did some alternate running versus walking. So that works for me, and that's how I burned maximum calories today, and it felt super duper good to sweat it out. And after the cardio I just did some standing ab exercises targeting my side waist and my abdominal wall muscles, and finished my workout with some stretching, guys. On day 5, which is the last day of my gym routine for the week, I decided to again do some arm exercises. So my main target in my body is my upper body, guys. My chest and my arms is my main target. That is where I want to build my strength and reduce the amount of fat that I have there. So I went ahead and again did a few sets of upper body workouts like my biceps, triceps and chest exercises. And after this, again, I did some cardio by going back home and dancing it out. So with that, we come to the end of this 1 week gym routine. You know the drill. Hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below what your gym routine looks like, and I will see you in the next one.